Hey guys, we're up to the fifth and final step of the JBD install for the X5 diesel, or the 335 diesel for the North American market. And pretty much everything is done as per the instructions. I went ahead and plugged everything back in. There's your bypass here, there, and as per the instructions I went ahead and looped it right over here. There's the brain. Okay. So there you have it. Now just to put the engine cover back on. I'm not even sure how that probably clips in somehow. Came off so easily. Okay, yep, I see. Clips right in there. Real simple. That's it, folks. Nice and tight. There's your engine cover back on. There's the JBD unit again. Alright, let's close that bad boy up and take it for a test drive. Hopefully I won't get any engine codes, so stay tuned for part 6.